We are very excited to be able to offer this Mercedes 350 SL. This is a 3.5. It does have the sport pack, which comprises of the AMG alloys, as you can see there, and the extra body styling. Now, this car has been fully detailed for sale. So I'll just go around the bodywork quite slowly so you can have a look. The car is offered in excellent condition. There is absolutely no markings on this car, anything untoward that would put you off buying the car. As you can see from the bonnet there, it's all been fully valeted. So this car will not disappoint. It has been fully detailed, so none of the alloy wheels are curved. No dents, no scratches, nothing there that is untoward, that should put you off buying the car. As you can see from the alloy there as well. Door edges absolutely fine. So I can't tell you enough, this car is in excellent condition. As well as the detailing of the car, we also have fully serviced the vehicle, so it does include a full mechanical check over, a full service, and will come with a new MOT at point of sale. The car is it comes with an RAC Platinum warranty, and you'll also get a 12-month roadside assistance, again with the RAC. And we can arrange finance on this car for you. We can work without a deposit. We can spread the payments over 60 months or up to 60 months. If you're looking for a tailor-made quotation, just give us a call at the office and we'll be more than happy to work out your numbers for you, but we can work without a deposit. If you're looking to part exchange your car, again, no problem. We can work without we can work with a part exchange. Just give us a call at the office. We'll be more than happy to give you an idea of valuation for you. Just give us your registration number and the mileage. So as you'll see from the video, it is in excellent condition. Let me just go inside the vehicle. So you have got multiple airbags all the way around the car. You do have electric heated memory seats, and you do have the all-important headscarf on this model. You've got a bit of storage on the door. That's on both sides. You've got, obviously, as I say, multiple airbags, stitching leather going all the way around the dash, all the way through the centre surround. You've got carpet mats in the car from new, so underneath the floor is as new. Let me just show you. So unmarked carpet underneath, got the silver sill tray. And then let me show you the driver's seats, passenger seat. So again, all the stitching all the way around the headline, and you've got your headscarf all the way around the seat. As I say, there's nothing on this car. Just excellent leather there. In the back here, you've got your speakers just running along the side there. So you've got two speakers. That's the subwoofer going all the way through. This on here is your your wind deflector. Your air scarf back of the head restraints there. Obviously, this is a two-seater model, and underneath here we do have some extra storage. Also, as we come round to the boot area, obviously the roof is down at the moment, and there's still a fair bit of room there for your shopping and bits and pieces, even when the roof is down. Self-closing boots. So this is the driver's side rear now. Again, you've got the storage at the back there, but so everything as it should be. And then you got, say, airbags again. You do have these storage again in the driver's door. Again, heated electric memory seats, electric window buttons. So let me just jump in the car and the starter up. So current mileage 41,512 miles. No surprise, no petrol, but obviously we'll make sure there is some fuel in the car before you take it. Just on the side there, you've got your automatic lights, you've got a headlight wash as well. You've got a nice fat leather steering wheel. This one is for your onboard computer, and it will switch between your radio and your music, etc. This one is for your Bluetooth on your telephone. Obviously your horn and your airbags in the centre there. We just switched the radio unit on. It does all come with a satellite navigation. It's just taking its time loading up. So you've got your radio here. So you've got FM, AM radio, as you'd expect. You've got your navigation. So let me just turn it off. Navigation screen, so fairly straightforward. You can enter your postcode and obviously it will direct you. So similar to other Mercedes units. You got your onboard telephone as well, so that's all Bluetooth, so that works through from the phone. So when the radio will cut off when you answer the phone, you have got an SD card which we keep in the office for the car as well, and obviously you got your CD player also. Your heating controls there, you got individual climate control for your driver and passenger, and as I say, you got auto and your aircon button. You got your automatic gearbox there. It is a Triptronic gearbox. You do have your pedal controls just on the steering wheel there, so you can use it manual and automatic, and you can change it from there as well. Your mirror controls in the centre there as well, and then you got your folding mirrors which will fold in like so from the press of a button. And then you got your armrest in the centre there. Could do a little bit of a hoover, to be honest. We'll get that sorted out for you. So nice spec car, this one. As I say, you've got your electric heated seats. Pretty easy to show you this one. So there you got the heating seat, and then you got your air scarf as well, so I can feel that running down my back now. The good thing about this car is the ownership. It's only had one previous owner, so the last owner has owned the car since 2012. So although it'd be December 2012, so he's owned the car for over 7 years now. It does come with a full Mercedes service history, so this is all the paperwork that I've got with the car. I won't go through it all now. Last service at Mercedes at 39,810 miles. So the mileage now is 41,512. As I say, Rushmore's have fully serviced the car, so it is fully prepared mechanically inside and out, and obviously fully detailed as well. I'm just going to do the roof. So the electric roof button here, as you may be able to see, it's all opening at the back there, and it's then just coming across into place, and then you'll see as the windows go up, the back goes down, and that's it. That's all done. So let me just show you, finish off with the video with the car's roof up. So just to recap, this is a one previous owner car, last owner for over 7 years. It comes with all the service history, full Mercedes history. It comes with a book pack, comes with both sets of keys, the V5 registration document. So all the paperwork is present, waiting for the new owner. It's been fully serviced, fully checked over mechanically. So there's no underlying issues. We check aircon, alloys, engine, everything on the vehicle's been checked over prior to it going onto the showroom. It has been fully detailed, so there's absolutely nothing there untoward putting you off buying this car. If you're looking for a 350 SL, then I would suggest that this is potentially the car for you. As I say, it is offered in excellent condition. Let me just go close up on the roof for you. So auto wipers, auto lights, AMG alloys, got the sport pack as well. So you've got the body styling at the front, full leather trim, air scarf, sorry, head scarf, aircon or climate control, everything as it should be. So if you are not local to us, we can give you or send you over a very up close and personal video. The video would be about 25 minutes long. It does go over every panel on the car, so the idea is that Rushmore's can be as transparent as possible. So if there is a stone chip, then we would point this out in the video. At the end of the video, you would be able to make an informed decision whether this is the car for you. So the idea is that we can show it off from a distance to you at home, so you know that this is going to be the car for you. So other than that, I think I'm pretty much done there. As just a reminder as well, it does come with an RAC Platinum warranty, and it does come with 12 months roadside assistance. That's all included in the price, and we can arrange finance for you as well, and we'd be more than happy to take a part exchange. So that's pretty much it from me now. So yeah, hopefully we'll speak to you soon. Thank you.